What's up, YouTube? Just coming to show y'all my new Christmas gift to myself. My first Glock. I've been wanting to get one for about the last year or so, and I heard about the gen5s coming out, so I wanted to wait to see what was the differences from them and the reviews. And everybody was complaining about the little cutout that was right here. So I said, maybe I'll wait. I didn't want my first Glock and the first Glock that I got to have a problem. So I just waited. I heard they was coming out with some gen5s that was out without that cutout. I didn't see any. But I ended up seeing this about a month ago. This is the gen5, Glock 19 gen5 with the MOS slot. And the good thing about it was obviously they took away that cutout there, and they added front slide serrations. And the MOS is a plus. I wasn't really looking to add an optic to my gun. Eventually, if this shoots well, obviously, I mean, the Glock, they're supposed to be very reliable, but this will probably be my EDC. This SD40 has actually been my EDC for the last year. This is the first pistol I got when I started getting into guns. I've done another video talking about getting into guns, and I had a revolver in the house. I knew I always had something in case something happened, and then one of my family members took it, said it should have been theirs versus mine because it was like one of my grandfather's. But anyway, so when that happened, I ended up wanting to get something right away, so I ended up going with the SD40. I done a little research on it, and it was a reasonable gun, and it works well, and it has worked flawless with me. I didn't have no issues except with Winchester ammo, which it functions right. It's just you have to really rack the slide. If you don't rack it right, it won't chamber right away. You gotta have to tap it on the back. But that's the only problems I've had with that. But I will set that to the side. But so yes, the Glock 19. Just got it actually yesterday. I ordered it the day after Christmas. Actually, I was waiting. I got it from grabagun.com. They got some really good prices. They got something new called a grab a quote. And so basically on most of their guns, you can grab a quote. They give you about $20, $30 off, I guess, depending on what the gun was. And I was happy I wanted this. Like I said, I didn't really care about the MOS, but because it had the front slide serrations and they took away the cutout that would go here, it was a plus. And it wasn't that much more than, you find your standard Glock for. So you see it's unloaded. Y'all know more than I do. Probably, they come with 3 15-round Glock mags, little speed loader, the back pieces. I haven't even tried any of these to see if I like the feel more than this. This feels pretty good. I haven't even shot this yet. I'll probably throw in some video by the time I upload it. I'll probably have a little video of me shooting it, but I haven't shot it yet. I only shot a Glock one time. That was maybe about a year ago. I just rented one from my local gun range that I go to just to shoot. I think I may have shot about 250 boxes, so about 100 rounds. I think it was a Gen 3 Glock. I had been used to shooting the 40 for a while. Even my uncle's gun that I used to shoot before I even got this was an M&P 40. So I hadn't shot a 9mm round in like a long time. So when I shot it, I mean, the recoil was so light, it felt like a squib load. So I was like, wow, this is very manageable. So I have my wife, I bought her a shield. I have shot that, but I know they got a little extra kick just because it's smaller. But yeah, so though as of now, just seeing it, it seems a little smaller. You put both of these, I don't know if you can see that. The SD40 is slightly longer. The top seems like it's a little slimmer, but I don't know. But it definitely, I know it'll be lighter carrying 9mm rounds versus the 40. So this will most likely to be my EDC. Eventually, I may add a red dot to it. Well, I'm not gonna say may, I will, but not right away. Probably gonna play with it and get some rounds through it through the standard Glock plastic sights that everybody talk about and see how much I like them. I'm not going to change these sights right now because eventually if I do get the red dot, I know I'm going to end up buying the suppressor height sight. So I'm not going to buy any night sights right now and then just to replace those once I add a red dot to it, reflex sight, whatever. So I'm just going to work with the plastic sights as of now, and I'm going to go from there. But yeah, just want to show a quick video of my Christmas gift to myself. Got all of my kids out the way so I can get myself some, this probably be the last gun I'll buy for a while. Unless I win one of those classic firearm guns, and I still wouldn't be buying one, but I'll be buying a lot of ammo. But I'm going to try to keep this. I have been wanting a Glock just for stuff like the 30-round factory magazines. And I actually like the new Glock 45. Well, I don't know if they got that. Well, the 19X got the like 19-round mags. I'm probably going to buy some of those. I'm not sure if the Glock 45, if they have like those X mags in black. I would like to maybe buy some of those for some extra mags on my person, my EDC, for the spare mags. But I like it. It looks good, feels good. Trigger is not bad. Reset, not bad. I definitely feel that little mush that they talk about, but I can feel the wall pretty good, so that don't matter to me. The take up and then click that, and then obviously no take up now. To get that second, it feels a little funny though with this. When you do pull the trigger, if you don't read it's like it stays there. That's a little different from the SD40. Let me see, but that's it. You see the different base plates. I'm sure some instructions on there based on which sight you'll get, which plate will work. I'm probably going to go with a Vortex, the Vortex Viper as of now. No, I'm not about to spend no $400 for no Triticon. Either the Vortex or maybe the Burst Fast Fire. I'll probably try one of those out first, and eventually I'll get something different. But that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like the videos. Hopefully I'll have some more videos. I'm going to be painting one of my my AK. I'm going to do maybe a tutorial on painting the AK, and probably have a video again with my Mossberg. I just added the SGA stock to it, and I had a couple of issues, and I'll probably do a video about that soon. But all right, thanks.